A+ content helps brand owners showcase their products and tell their brand story in the Amazon store. A+ content helps you increase sales and improve product discoverability by showcasing your brand through enhanced product details that answer common customer questions. With enhanced images, videos, comparison charts, and rich product information, you can create a more compelling shopping experience that aids product conversion. Professional sellers with brand representative or reseller roles can create A+ content. To learn more about eligibility requirements, go to the A+ content help page. Let's review the core features of A+ content. You can add and update content through the A+ Content Manager. To access the A+ Content Manager, open the Seller Central main menu, select Advertising, then select A+ Content Manager. From there, you can create enhanced product content, additional brand content, or both. In the A+ Content Manager, you can upload detailed product images, add text placements, create product comparison charts, build comprehensive product descriptions, and create reusable brand story content, while also leveraging Amazon's powerful generative AI tools to create relevant marketing text and visuals based on your product listing information. The A+ Content Manager makes it easy to map ASINs to A+ content across all products of your registered brand. It also provides recommendations to help you identify high-traffic ASINs where A+ content could be most effective or where existing content could be improved. Note that new A+ content can take up to 7 working days for review and approval, sometimes longer during periods of high volume. There are 3 types of A+ content: Basic A+, Premium A+, and Brand Story. All 3 can be found on the A+ Content Manager page. Brand Story lets customers learn about your brand's history, values, and product lines. You can display it in a carousel format alongside Basic A+ or Premium A+. Basic A+ lets you create enhanced product detail pages with unique images, text layouts, comparison charts, and feature lists. Premium A+ includes all basic features plus additional features like larger images, interactive hover hotspot modules, and navigation carousels. To be eligible for Premium A+, you must have published brand story across all ASINs that you own within your catalog, and submitted at least 5 A+ content projects that have been approved and published within the past 12 months. A+ content can help bring your brand's story to life. Access the A+ Content Manager through Seller Central to begin crafting compelling content that can help drive discoverability and conversion for your products.